Hey, it's Living with Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would like for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you a quick simple dinner idea recipe. So let's get started and let me show you what ingredients you will need for this recipe. Black pepper, salt, thyme, rosemary, garlic, lemon or lime. I don't have lemon, so I'm gonna be using lime, olive oil, and of course your potatoes. These are bite-sized potatoes. They come in different colors and shapes, so if you want them to be uniform, you can go ahead and cut the ones that are a little bit big in size. So in a mixing bowl, you're going to add your olive oil. I'm going to be generous with mine, so I will put about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Add your salt to taste, of course. Add your black pepper to taste. Half a tablespoon of thyme. So I decided to add a little bit of paprika in mine. This is optional, you don't have to. I'm trying to make this as simple as possible, so you can add other stuff if you want to, but you don't have to. A bit of paprika there. Add your garlic. 1 teaspoon of garlic. Half of lemon juice or lime juice. Go ahead and mix all of this together. Okay, put that on the side. Get your potatoes and wash them. Okay, so our potatoes are washed. I like mine to be crispy, so I'm gonna go ahead and actually cut my potatoes to the shape I want, because I do want it to be crispy, so I want to make sure that it's well seasoned. Okay, our potatoes are all cut. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my ingredients. Okay, time to mix all of these together. Look at that beautiful color. Oh my, look at that. I already want to eat it. It's just so beautiful. Okay, time to go ahead and add our rosemary. Rosemary and thyme will bring that freshness to the potatoes. Also have some fresh rosemary that I'm gonna go ahead and drop in there. You can cut it into pieces if you want, or you can just put it in there like that. It's up to you. Oh, it smells good. The freshness of the rosemary will just make it perfect. I'm gonna mix that up. Now if you're gonna bake this into an oven, you're gonna preheat your oven at 400 degrees and cook it for about 20 minutes, depending on how hot your oven can be or how thin or thick your potatoes are, but I'm using an air fryer. Okay, see how beautiful that is. Let's take it to the air fryer. So because I want all the juice to stay in and not to escape, I lined up my air fryer with some aluminum foil so that as it bakes, it stays in there. I'm gonna add this into my air fryer. Now time to bake. how beautiful that looks. I feel like eating this and it's not even cooked yet. I'm going to bake it at 400 degrees. I'm going to put 30 minutes. But I'm going to check every 10 minutes and kind of like stir it as it cooks. So it has been about 20 minutes that this has been cooking. This is what it looks like at the moment. I'm going to go ahead and flip it. Do you see that juice coming out? Now we're just bringing the ones that are at the bottom to the top so it can get toasted and crispy like the one that was at the top. Bake this for 20 more minutes. Okay guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to hit that thumb up if you like this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not done yet. So this is a really nice side dish. I like to eat mine with fried eggs or some saute beans or some saute vegetables. Whatever you would like to eat this with, you can actually go ahead and just eat it this way and it's still yummy and delicious.